Hello viewer, we will try to make the changes and make the clones here for generation of the shapes. Try our best to make new designs, explore the changes. We will use these designs here. I will add a paint around it. Let's make the designs to use that one. It's a selection there. There is a pen tool. We have to explore another shape.